To build for Android, select Android emulator and choose Development Build. Turn this option off and then follow the instructions to install Android Studio and set up your emulator. You can then open Android Studio, click More Actions, and you'll see your virtual devices listed there. We already installed the development client, so now all we need to do is run this command. It will create an Android package name just like it had an Apple Bundle ID before. It's configuring, downloading, and building everything for us. Success! Expo automatically runs our server and installs the app on our emulator. And there it is, Expo's lovely default app running on Android. Just like with iOS, you don't need to rebuild every time. When you're ready to develop again, just start your server with npm start, and then press A to open it on Android, and you're back in business.